Hello everyone! Today, let's make a cute and easy winter craft. Let's get started. For this craft, we need some simple materials. Paper tray, cardboard, scissors, glue, B700, printed pictures, cotton ice cream sticks, white stones. First, let's prepare the base of our winter craft. Take the paper tray and staple the pieces together. Make sure it is strong and secure, so our winter craft will have a good base. Take your time and staple it neatly. Then, take the base cardboard and fix it securely to the tray using a stapler. Make sure it is properly attached and strong. Next, take the printed images or stickers. Carefully cut around the edges neatly and keep all the pieces aside. Now take the base tray. Apply some glue and paste cotton all over the tray to create a beautiful snowy effect. After that, we are going to make a small pathway using white stones. I'm using B700 glue for this because regular glue takes more time to dry and hold the stones properly. Once the pathway is finished, take an ice cream stick and cut it into small pieces. Paste the printed house pictures onto the sticks and carefully place them inside the tray. Repeat the same process with all the house pictures and arrange them around the tray to create a beautiful little winter village. Have you ever wondered how a few simple craft materials can turn into a magical winter village? The answer is useful because it shows us how creativity and imagination can transform everyday items into something beautiful and special. Next, take some small sticks and place them in the tray to make trees. Add cotton to the sticks to create snowy branches. Now, let's add a few little people around the village. This makes our winter scene look more lively and interesting. For the remaining empty spaces, add cotton to create a soft and snowy ground. Next, I'm adding some printed fruits and vegetables to give our village a colorful and realistic look. And now for the special Christmas touch. Let's add Santa Claus. Finally, check all the pieces and make sure everything is securely fixed. And here is our beautiful winter village project, complete with snow, houses, trees, people, and Santa. I hope you enjoyed creating this magical winter craft with me. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends and family, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next creative project.